Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Molecular geometry shape for OCl2. Correct answer is the molecular geometry of OCl2 is bent by angular. This shape results from the presence of two bonded oxygen atoms and one chlorine atom around the central oxygen atom. The lone pairs on the central oxygen atom pushes the two chlorine atoms closer together, causing a deviation from linearity and resulting in a bent shape. The bond angles in OCl2 are approximately 109 since 5 degrees, slightly less than the ideal tetrahedral angle due to presence of lone pairs. This molecular geometry is important for understanding the physical and chemical properties of OCl2, such as its polarity and reactivity.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.